How do I reset my space heater?
Hey there! Welcome to this video on how to reset your space heater. If you're experiencing issues with your space heater and it's not working as expected, resetting it might help resolve the problem. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to reset your space heater and get it back up and running. So, let's get started.
Identifying the reset method.
The first step is to identify the reset method for your specific space heater model. Space heaters can vary in design and functionality, so it's important to refer to the manufacturer's instructions or user manual for the precise reset procedure. Look for a section specifically dedicated to troubleshooting or resetting your space heater.
Power off and unplug.
Before attempting to reset your space heater, always ensure it's powered off and unplugged from the electrical outlet. This step is crucial for your safety and to prevent any potential electrical hazards.
Resetting the space heater.
Now that you've identified the reset method and made sure the heater is powered off and unplugged, it's time to reset the unit. The most common reset methods for space heaters include 3.1 Manual reset button. Some space heaters have a manual reset button that you can press to initiate the reset process. Typically, this button is located on the control panel or at the back of the unit. Locate the reset button and press and hold it for a few seconds, usually around 5 to 10 seconds. Release the button and proceed to the next step. 3.2 Thermostat reset. For space heaters with a thermostat, resetting the thermostat can help resolve certain issues. Look for the thermostat control knob or buttons on your space heater. Turn the thermostat knob or press the appropriate buttons to the lowest setting or the off position. Leave it in that position for a few minutes to ensure a complete reset. Afterward, you can set the desired temperature and test the heater. 3.3 Circuit breaker reset. If your space heater is connected to a circuit breaker, you can try resetting the circuit breaker to restore power to the unit. Locate the circuit breaker panel in your home or building and identify the breaker associated with the space heater. Flip the breaker switch to the off position and then back to the on position. This will reset the circuit and provide power to the heater again. And there you have it. Resetting your space heater can often resolve common issues and get it working again. Remember to consult the manufacturer's instructions or user manual specific to your space heater model for the precise reset procedure. If the problem persists after attempting a reset, it's recommended to contact the manufacturer's customer support or a professional technician for further assistance. Stay warm and cozy.